After launching ChatGPT and taking the world by the storm, OpenAI then ventured into doing multimodal stuff. Now, what they have started to attack is Google. And they have introduced an amazingly brilliant product, and I use both adjectives at the same time, called SearchGPT. Now, this is still a prototype product. So it's about 10,000 users that it's rolled out to. I have not given it a try, but this is a search tool. This is a search assistant. So what it does is it's able to now access the internet, search and summarize the information for you. So there are a lot of features that they are calling it. Obviously, the idea behind is computationally expensive because, when you're building a list of something compared to doing a more deeper dive, summarizing the data and all that, it's computationally expensive. So maybe OpenAI has a business notion to it, and maybe they're looking to release this to enterprises. But it is designed to give you answers. It pulls data from real-time internet sources. It is multimodal and very, very natural. It can give you visual results. You can search for, videos, audios, images, and it will give you that rich conversation filled with different kind of multimedia. And finally, they're just trying to think about how to roll this out into people. Now, have we seen something like this before? I think so. Now, if you just do a search these days on Google, like large language models, what you get thrown at is a summarization or distilled version of the search with the citations or references, whatever we want to call them. We have also seen similar tools, which is the likes of perplexity.ai, and where you go and search, and let's say, again, large language model, you're building your search, right? So it gets you the Wikipedia answer, it gets you a summarized answer, it gets you images and videos on the right, and you can ask follow-ups, and it's going deep dive, right? So it's not that search has not been approached as a problem with large language model. In fact, they are looking at chat and search in very similar context. Now, interestingly, Google has already started to do this. So what difference is OpenAI trying to bring isn't very, very clear. Maybe they are trying to summarize information in a certain way, or maybe they are trying to present the information in a different way. Now, summary and presentation are two different things. Additionally, there's large language model have a known problem of hallucinations. Now, when you do a Google search, it's a very factual search. It's based on ranking. There's an algorithm. However, when you get into a large language model in search, what will happen is still to be seen. When Google does something like this, where it is trying to interpret data from multiple links, maybe top 5 or top 10 links, it's being a little smart here, and instead of actually using generative AI to do the search, it's doing the search first and capturing the information and summarizing and throwing it at you. Is OpenAI doing something different? We do not know that at this point in time. However, basis the way they have shown the videos on the internet and some of the questions that you can ask, it looks very similar, but again, follows the conversational style. So that's what we are hoping to get. Now, this is still a very early prototype product, so maybe OpenAI is just trying to collect feedback and see where to get along. But prepare to be disrupted. Search is also going to change, and a lot of more people are going to start to attack search. That's pretty much it from Cafe.io. If you like these conversations, please subscribe, join into the member community, put in comments as to what form of content you would like to see. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.